Hey guys, so today we'll be making an adorable centerpiece with items from the dollar store. What you will need: a wreath ring, and this is actually the smaller wreath ring that comes two in the pack. I believe it's like 8 inches. I have some gold and white deco mesh. I also have this slightly darker deco mesh, also chenille stems, which I have cut them in half, and you can use whatever color you choose. I just decided to go with gold since it matches my color scheme. And then ribbon. Whatever style of ribbon you'd like. I just have white and gold. The white is 5/8 inches in width and the gold is 1 1/8 inches in width. They're so pretty. But whatever, use whatever ribbon you choose. You will also need scissors. Alright, let's get started. So I have cut the deco mesh into 8-inch long pieces. I have the gold and the white here. I've cut 18 pieces because I want 6 pieces in each of my 3 sections, and I only cut 9 of the darker gold just because I want to just add in a little for extra detail and to pull out the gold ribbon. You can cut 18 pieces of the darker gold as well if you'd like, or you can leave out the darker gold altogether. It's completely up to you, but I just thought little accents of the gold would look really pretty. So again, 18 pieces of white, 18 pieces of the light gold, and only 9 pieces of the darker gold. And then I do have the pretty ribbon that I have cut into 7-inch long pieces. And I have 18 pieces of each. So we're going to make our bundles, and then we'll start placing them on the ring. So for one bundle, I have my 2 pieces of deco mesh, 1 gold, 1 white, 2 pieces of ribbon, a gold and white, and a chenille stem. And roll it at a curl, just like that, which is so cute. Or you can roll it at a diagonal, which just makes it a little longer, but it's so much fun. So I'm going to roll these at diagonals. I do have some that I've rolled at curls before. The good thing is you can switch it up and change it as much as you'd like. I will take my ribbon, just line them on top, the white on top of the gold and the gold on top of the white, and scrunch just like that. I'm going to take my chenille stem and twist it in place, and then I can adjust it. Don't forget we do have the darker gold, so I'll show you one bundle that way. So we have the light gold, the white, the darker gold, 2 pieces of ribbon, and a chenille stem. I'm going to roll the first piece, which is the light gold, and I'm going to roll the white. I'm going to roll the darker gold. Place my ribbon and scrunch it. I'm going to twist it just like that. And if you want to add another piece of the white or the gold, you can definitely do that. I like to go ahead and make all of my bundles, and then we will place them on our ring. And I like to kind of alternate which color deco mesh I have on top. So I have white on top for this one. Let me see, I have gold on top for this one, and then I have the darker gold on top. So just different variations to make it look just more fun and whimsical. Alright, so I have all of my bundles together. They are so cute. I have the bundles with just the gold and white, and then I have some of the bundles with the darker gold. I think it just adds an extra pop of gold in there. Now we are finally ready to place them all on our ring. I have a total of 18 bundles. You can use more or fewer bundles if you choose to do so. Some bundles have 2 pieces of deco mesh and some have 3. Again, if you want to add an extra piece to the smaller bundles, you're welcome to do so, but I think when it all meshes together, it's going to look just fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my 3-piece bundle and place it on the outer 2 rings, just like this, and twist it, and then tuck it away. Then I can like maneuver it, but again, the more bundles you get in place, the easier it is to maneuver it and keep it in a certain position. Next, I have a 2-piece bundle. And you can place them all on the outer ring. You can place them all on the inner ring. You can alternate inner and outer. I usually like to alternate inner and outer. So I'm twisting this on the inner 2 rings, just like this. And then tuck it away. Just like that. So you see, so they're not all in a single row. It's like up, down, up, down. I just think that looks so cute. And again, you'll be able to adjust it more. Alright, let's get more in place. 3-piece bundle with the 2-piece bundles. back and forth. And I'm putting the 3-piece bundles on the outer ring because they are larger. Okay, so this is one section. It looks so cute and poofy. You can see how large it is. Here's the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm alternating inner, outer, and it looks so cute already. This is just one section. So I'm going to get the other 2 sections completed and show you my final product. And it gets harder the closer you get to finishing, but just push it over to the side and keep going. So again, I have 6 bundles in each of my 3 sections for a total of 18 bundles, and as you can see, it's very poofy, and as I always say, this would look really cute as just like a wreath on the door or anything like that, but we want to use it as either like a centerpiece or a candle holder. So I'm pushing all the deco mesh out so that I have a free space in the center, and I'm fluffing it up as well. You can add as much ribbon or as little ribbon as you choose. Alright, so see now I have a center space, and you can just continue to work with it just depending on how big you want this. If you want it as a centerpiece, if you want to put like a bowl in the center or like a candle holder. I have a candle holder. It's just glass that was purchased at Dollar Tree, and you see it sits perfectly in the center, and you can just like fluff it up around it. Candle, and place it right in the center. The possibilities are endless. You could definitely add an adorable bow to this as well, so I will probably be doing that. You can turn it into a wreath. You can make it a candle holder or candy holder. Like if you get a wider bowl, you can sit candy in it and just have fun with it and make it your own. And this is a really cute bow. If you want to watch the video on how I made this bow, I will link it in the description box down below. I will also link it at the end of this video. So I have the bow wire still on the back, and I'm just going to tie it around the glass just like that, and you can kind of adjust it. So it looks so cute and adorable. You can place the candle in there to make a perfect candle holder or centerpiece. And something else you can do, if you want to take little bells, you can glue them all throughout the centerpiece if you'd like. You can even say we can remove the candle, and you can fill the center with bells or even candy. I think Werther's will look really cute in this centerpiece. If you do like the accent of the bells, you can even add some bells to your bow, so that would be really cute. I like showing you guys multiple options, so you can choose whichever one you like best and go with it. These cute little pine cones, glitter sparkle pine cones, you can place those in the center. And everything I'm showing you, you can also do with a wider, shorter bowl. You can have it like that, which I think is also so cute. You can even add some of the bells in with the pine cones. You can just have fun with it and make it your own.